Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. This is Subi from Citrus Journal Studio. Today we are going to be making this Christmas folio. This is called the Mrs. Claus Bakehouse. This kit is included in the Christmas bundle 2025. If you have bought the bundle, you can just go ahead and look for your link, and the folder will be the Mrs. Claus Bakehouse folio. Here are the final pieces that are included in this kit. I have already cut the windows in 3 of the flaps that you can see. I have printed all of these pages on 170 GSM paper. I have printed on the back of just a few of the papers over here. I would have printed on all of those pages, but I forgot to print on all of those pages. I just recognized that I didn't print on all of these pages on the back side, only after I cut them. So I just had to reprint like 2 of these flaps. I just reprinted, and we will work with them. I'm just going to start by prepping by folding along all of the lines. And for these windows that I have already cut, I am going to use the gold kind of a fabric and the transparent sheet to cover up the windows. Now that I've added the transparent sheet and the fabric for the windows, we will start by prepping. And I've added this red fabric for one of the flaps. For the assembling, I've got this main panel that we are going to start. So this is the main panel, and I've got like 2 window pages and 1 flap. So this is the main panel. On the back of the panel A, I'm going to attach the panel A window. This one is the panel A window flap. This one I'm going to attach it like so. And I want a top pocket for this window page, so I am going to add glue just to 3 sides and make it into a top pocket. I have made a few changes in the final files that you will receive, because I felt like I could have done like the pages a little bit shorter and have like double folds and kind of those things. I've made all of those changes in the final files that you will receive, but the assembling part is all the same. So we have the panel A window that has been attached to the panel A. Now I want this flap A I want to make a top pocket for this flap A. So I'm just going to add glue to the 2 sides, and we have this flap A. What I want to do with this flap A is attach it to panel B window. So that's the panel B window. I want to attach the flap A to the panel B window like this, and then glue the panel B window to panel B. So I'm just using the attachment area and attaching it to panel B window like this. And now I can go ahead and attach the panel B window to panel B, and I want to make a side pocket for this one. So I am going to add glue to the three sides right over here like this, and leave the right side so that I can insert an ephemera through this window. And I will stick the panel B window like right over here. And that's the assembling of this folio. Very easy folio. We got this one window with the top pocket and another flap with the top pocket, and then the other window with the side pocket. It's such a quick folio, but it's got like these beautiful ephemeras and the flaps with all of these pastry kind of illustrations that I love. I really enjoyed designing this folio. So let's start adding a few pockets. I'm just going to layer these two pockets right over here. And I will add these two pockets right on the panel B window flap. Pockets are done. Let's start decorating. I've included a few fussy cuts of like candy jars, hot cocoa mugs and more, so you can just use them to decorate. I'm using my double-sided tape to attach these fussy cuts to the decorating the folio using the a double-sided tape. for those two windows, I've got these two ephemeras that goes into these, the corresponding windows. So I want to use my tabs so that it can be easy to remove these ephemeras from these windows. So for this ephemera, I will add the tab on the top, and for the side pocket that you saw, I will add a tab on the side. And we are done with the folio. Here is the final reveal of the Mrs. Claus Bakehouse Christmas folio. As you can see, it's a very easy folio to make, but it's got like these beautiful illustrations throughout the folio. I really enjoyed designing and making this folio. I will include the link in the description below. You can check it out. As I mentioned before, this kit is included in the Christmas Bundle 2025. And you can join my newsletter to get updates, freebies, and you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.